The selpHbalance TDS, EC and temperature meter is a 3-in-1 water meter. It has a brightly colored, sturdy body. In the package, you'll also find a black protective case and a short, but useful and informative manual. The meter is shorter than 6 inches and fits comfortably in the palm of your hand. Replacing the battery is easy. The battery compartment is at the top. Simply remove the cover to insert a new battery. The selpHbalance meter uses a standard, widely available CR2032 watch battery. Now, I measure my tap water. You can switch from electrical conductivity, EC, to total dissolved units, TDS, by simply pressing the shift button once. You can switch the temperature unit by pressing twice the shift button fast. The TDS reading of my filtered water is significantly lower. As you see, the selpHbalance TDS, EC and temperature meter is an easy and convenient tool to measure the quality of your water and the performance of your water filter.